welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. We got coming up on 100K subscribers, which is a pretty big milestone for this channel. Anyway, I want to let everybody know we're going to be doing I'll be doing a giveaway. It's going to be a couple of videos from here. Man, I suck at this. Welcome back to the channel, non-consensual towing. That's what we do. Anyway, I wanted to let everybody know we're coming up on 100K subscribers. I'm going to be doing cash giveaways. Leave a comment on this video here. I'm pulling names out of the comments on Park and Revenge 138, and I'm going to pull names for 139 too. Park and Revenge 139. This video and the next video, leave a comment for a chance to win cash giveaway. I'm gonna give away $1,000 per video, which will be 10 winners. Be winning $100 a piece. I'm doing the giveaways a little bit different, and I'll explain that later. You'll see how it's done. I'm gonna make it as fair as I possibly can make it. Not everybody can gets the notifications as quickly as other people. Depending on where you live at, you may not get the notification as quick as somebody else. So I'm gonna make it fair. And I'm gonna be pulling names out, pulling names from all the comments, and I'll break that down when I do the drawing. I'll break that down on the video, how I'm gonna be doing it. But anyway, I just wanted to mention that. Leave a comment, man. Anybody can leave a comment. I don't care if you're one of my haters. I got some haters on here too, man. I know I do. Anyway, if you're a hater, man, leave a comment, man. I'll pull your name. Anyway, we're going to get on into some content, man. Thanks for watching. I want to thank my subscribers. I want to thank my boss. And last but not least, I want to thank God for keeping me safe every single day. Anyway, let's get into some content, man. Let's get it. We're back at the trailer park. Can't do no intro here. I gotta get these cars on the hook. They may come out, they may not. But I got the property, one of the property guys here with me, and he said these cars, they gotta go. They know, people already know, cars gotta go. So we're gonna go ahead and get them hooked. This trailer park here, they got he said they got 20 new manufactured homes coming in, and they got some they're selling, some they're renting, but they're trying to keep this place up. This trailer park, man, they're trying to get rid of the old ones, bring the new ones in, and they're trying to keep the property nice or decent. You know what I'm saying? Just because it's a trailer park don't mean that you're supposed to live like you're living in the dump. And that's why these people tow. You got to manage your property. I don't care if it's a trailer park or if it's a high-rise. Anyway, that's enough flapping. We're going to get on to the yard, and I got to get back over here. There's more. So we're going to get to it. Stay tuned. They just had some kind of a fiasco over here. A lady came running out and jumped in the car and jumped on the car and flipped out. That happened right before I got here. That happened with Greg. But anyway, we'll see what happens on mine. Maybe some action, there might not be. But we're getting ready to hook something. They got towed because they didn't have no tags on them or nothing.
The Jetta had a tag. The Land Rover had a tag of 2020.
I didn't know about the Rover. I got the Jetta and the Audi.
The Audi didn't have a tag. The only one that didn't have a tag was the Audi. So the Jetta had a tag. It also has a
It's up to the property manager. It's not up to us. It's up to the property manager. It's not up to us. People that run the property.
I just need to take out my shit. Go out there and talk to me.
Hey, just take a picture of the truck and you can call them. They'll give you the address.
No, I just need my speakers and my amplifiers. And
yeah, there's a Fosgate speaker sitting on the back. Yeah, hey, it's in McCullough Towing.
You can get the high experience on some other shit now.
Listen, we ain't gonna take nothing out of the cars. It's all cameras over there. They nobody gonna mess with it. Just go get it though. Don't wait. Go get it.
Yeah.
That's our address right there, man.
Oh yeah.
That's our address, man. Just go get your stuff, man. You get your stuff out. January 18th. How's it going, man? Huh?
Why are you taking the car?
Because it's in the yard and it tags 2018. That's why. I got to pick up something on it. It's got something hanging. Who's this? Your people's car?
Yeah, this is my brother's car.
What the yeah. How's it going?
Yo, why are you taking my car?
Because it was parked in the grass, man. Plus, there's...
Okay, just move it up.
No,
I'm
it's
ready for you to take it.
the property. Hey, the property manager's taking it.
Okay.
It's the
Where
property.
Can I get it?
Hey, I'll give your brother the address for it. I'll give him the address. That way you come get it.
Truck's up there. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, mate.
This is a freaking straight tow nightmare right here, man. Man, I don't think this. Huh?
You don't think you can get it? Put it back.
Yeah, I can get it. I don't want to drag the. See that'll stay. That'll ride right there. This here is gonna drag the ground. I'm gonna put it back, and he's gonna have to tomorrow morning. I'll pull up and load this thing tomorrow morning on a flatbed. Well, what else is that other one got to go too?
It's supposed to go. It ain't got a tag on it.
I'm gonna set this one back down and grab that one then. Okay. Ain't got no tag on it, man.
The tag is coming.
Well, listen, you need to worry about that one. Hey, listen, they just told me to tow it. The manager here told me to tow it, so it's got to go. I can't leave the car here. He just now left me. Both these, man. Neither one of them are proper.
Yeah. I already told them that they're in the process of getting. I got a tag for this.
Where's your tag at?
The car. I'm using it for that one.
Well, let me cut this volume right here down. His manager told him this car and that car, that one right there's got to go too. The tags are bad. They got 12 cars. It ain't just y'all. Yeah, it ain't just y'all. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I gotta tow it, man. I can't not tow it. They just told me to tow it.
I gotta talk to the manager. I can't tow this car.
He said you got a tag.
Yeah, it's on the car right there. I'll just use that one because I want to use those gas.
See, you can't switch tags, man. He just now told me, he just left a minute ago and told me to tow this car right here. There's no tag on it. And that's what he told me to do.
Property, like that one, you said that was parked on property.
I understand. Either way, man, they told me to tow the car. That's what I'm here to do, man. I'm fixing to tow this one right here. Yeah. Ain't nobody gonna get sued, man. Ain't nobody gonna sue. You can't sue. It's private property, man.
Don't touch the car, man.
Okay. Yeah. Where's the registration on this one? Hey, show me the registration on this one. Let me talk to her, man. Let me talk to her. Hey, you got registration on this red one here?
The Cobra, my son has it on him. He went to work after he got it registered today. He didn't go back home and go put the damn tag on it. Don't touch the damn Cobra.
I'm fixing, listen, you're sitting here.
I'm at work and having to deal with this.
Hey, let me tell you this right here. You're sitting here telling me, you're sitting here cussing at me about the car.
Yes, I'm cussing at you about the car.
Okay, listen, I'm sitting here.
Because I'm at work having
I'm
to deal with this.
talking to you on a normal level. I'm not talking to you on a bad level. I'm talking to you on a calm level. I was nice to both of the boys here. I'm not talking any kind of stupid way. I'm explaining, and I explained to him, I explained to you. The property manager's having these cars towed because they ain't got no tags on them.
Okay.
Okay.
And the Cobra has a tag. It's not on it physically right now because he went and got the tag today.
Okay.
So do not take the Cobra. If you need to take the Fox body, take it.
I can't tow the Fox body because it's got too many parts. I can't put it on the flatbed.
Okay.
But this one right here, look, listen, he said he.
Okay,
you just said he went and got registration. Show me the registration. Show me it's valid. I won't tow it.
He's at work. I don't have it. My son is.
He's here. He's here.
No.
He's here.
The 18-year-old is there?
He's here. He's here. Show me some registration on it.
Yeah.
John, not the. Go get your damn registration. Where's the tag registration?
Either way, I'm gonna be back over here tomorrow, and I'm gonna tow that Fox body. It's the first thing on the list. property manager's got to get that car off the property, and she's told and instructed the maintenance supervisor, get the car out of here. She don't want it here. There's about 5 or 6 more that are going to be going tomorrow too. But this particular instance, it has been kind of controversial. We've had numerous problems over here with the towing. Anyway, they run these properties, man, seriously. That's how they run them. They run them right. You can live in a trailer park. You can't have 20 cars at your trailer. It ain't right. It ain't fair. It makes the trailer park look terrible. Trailer park's already got a bad reputation. And kind of like tow drivers do. You know, we got a bad reputation too. But does that make us bad? No, it don't. But you see what this consists of. It does happen. It happens everywhere. It don't matter if it's a trailer park. And I'm not throwing off on anybody in a trailer park at all. I don't throw off on anybody wherever they live at. I don't think it's right to judge anybody, look down on anybody, man. The way I look at things, man, no man's beneath me and there's none above me. That's the way I feel about life and people in general. And I treat people the same. It don't matter if you got $1 million or if you got 0. That one lady started cussing on the phone. She calmed down. I did see her on FaceTime. She calmed down, and she actually told me sorry. After talking to her, she told me sorry. But anyway, that's how it goes. We're going to the yard. Another day towing. We got another day down. Nobody got hurt. Some people got pissed off, but nobody got hurt. That's pretty good for today. Anyway, peace.